In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header on Microsoft Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or a simple form, a well-crafted header can significantly enhance its visual appeal and make your form stand out. Let's dive right into the steps to make this happen. Firstly, you'll want to open a web browser. It doesn't matter if you prefer Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Any modern browser will do the trick. Once you're online, simply type Microsoft Forms into the search bar and hit Enter. This search will bring up the official site for Microsoft Forms, typically one of the first links in your search results. Click on that link and you'll find yourself at the gateway to creating dynamic and professional forms with ease. Now that you're on the Microsoft Forms page, you'll need to sign in. Use your existing Microsoft account to log in. If you don't have one, don't worry. Setting up a new account is straightforward and free. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all your existing forms, and you can create new ones. Next, it's time to dive into the form you wish to edit. Look for the form you want to enhance with a stunning header and click to open it. This will take you to the editing interface, where you can make various adjustments to your form. Now, direct your attention to the form's title area at the top. Click on this area, and you'll notice an icon appears. It's a picture icon located on the right side of the title section. Clicking this icon is the first step to adding that personalized touch to your form's header. You'll be presented with several options to source your image. You can choose an image from an online image search, which is perfect if you're looking for something readily available on the web. Microsoft Forms utilizes Bing for this feature, so simply type in your desired image and select from the results. Alternatively, if you have images stored on OneDrive, you can easily integrate them into your form. Just navigate through your OneDrive files and pick the picture you want. If the perfect image is on your computer or device, there's an upload option for you to select an image file directly from your local storage. Once you've added the image, it's important to know that editing or removing it at any future point is a breeze. Just click on the header section again, and you'll see options to either change or delete the image using the available icons. And there you have it. Your form now boasts a professional and visually appealing header, ready to impress all your respondents. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.